Hi, welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to try Desi Nutri Instant Millet Kheer. Let's start the preparation. It is 200 gram pack. Now take a bowl, boil 2 cups of milk for 4 minutes. Boil for 4 minutes. Meanwhile, take 1 cup of instant millet kheer mix. After boiling the milk, add 1 cup of instant kheer mix to the milk and stir well. Mix it well. Boil for 5 minutes. Let's wait. Boiling completed. Turn off the flame and serve it. That's it. Thank you for visiting Trendy Output YouTube channel.